Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting images and deciding scope. 50 to 100 pictures is ideal for Class 1. Choose clear photos or icons. Avoid cluttered backgrounds so children focus. Once done, plan pages. A4 or letter, 2-4 images per page, 1/2-inch margins to leave space for binding. Make a short word list with 1 or 2 simple labels per picture and group them by category: home, school, food, so learning builds logically. This planning speeds layout and printing later. Now you assemble pages in a design tool or word processor. Start with a simple 2x2 grid so each image is large and visible. Use 300 dpi images and readable fonts sized 18 to 24 points. Add a phonetic hint or small cue under each word to support early readers. Keep one color accent per page to avoid distraction. Once layouts are set, save an editable source file and export both preview and full-resolution PDF versions. Finish by printing a test page and checking legibility at the actual size. If text or images look small, increase font or image size. Bind with staples, comb binding, or hole punch and ribbon for durability. Laminate frequently handled pages. Once printed, review with a child or colleague and note confusing items. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Boost contrast, switch to a clearer photo, or raise font size. These fixes improve readability quickly and make the picture dictionary child-ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.